This is a 2011 Ford Focus involved in an accident on Highway 111 in Palm Desert, California, February 8th. Here's the accident report submitted to the Riverside County Sheriff's Department showing the other vehicle crossing 3 lanes into the path of the Ford Focus. This is the only message we got from our adjuster 10 days later, indicating $650 going to a lien holder. We own their car. Here's a copy of our title. We paid cash for the car 2 years ago. So this claim of $650 is completely bogus. This is a message from the GEICO website 2 weeks after the claim was filed, and the adjuster had still not come to look at our car. This is the view from Sage Lane, which is where the other party crossed 3 lanes into the path of our car on Highway 111. Here's the car going 3 lanes over exactly as the car that we collided with did from Sage Lane to Highway 111. This is a letter from GEICO suggesting they had done an investigation and determined 50% fault. They had done no investigation at all. Here's a $621 statement sent to a fictitious lien holder for our car, which we paid in cash for and hold title to. Here you can see the skid marks from the Ford Focus as they attempted to stop as a car entered directly from Sage Lane into the left lane of Highway 111. This chart shows that it takes 80 feet of skid to stop from 45 miles an hour, which was the speed limit on Highway 111. Here we see no less than 3 cars making an illegal lane change directly into the left lane of Highway 111 from Sage Lane, which is what the cause of our accident was on February 8th.